Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through 3 simple ways on how to sew on a patch. First, we'll cover the easiest, how to iron on a patch. Just place your patch down on your fabric and then cover with a pressing cloth. Place your iron on a hot setting for 15 to 20 seconds over your patch. Then let it cool for about a minute before flipping your project inside out. Then you're going to repeat the process so that adhesive really bonds to your fabric on the other side. So place your pressing cloth over your patch and then hold your iron over it for another 15 to 20 seconds. The extra step in also heating the backside is really going to prolong the life of your patch. Next, let's cover how to hand sew your patch. First, decide where you want your patch to be and then secure it with some regular double stick tape. This has almost no extra weight to your project, but it will really hold it in place and doesn't slide around like a regular needle. Then you're going to take a hand sewing needle and thread it by sliding one side of your thread through the hole at the top of your needle and tying a regular knot at the bottom. Your very first stitch on your patch is going to come from the back side or the inside of your garment. That way the knot on your thread won't be visible when you're wearing it. Try to keep your stitches as close to the outside and the perimeter of your patch as possible, and keep making your way all the way around outlining your patch. Try to keep your stitches about 1/4 of an inch or less apart from each other. When you're ready to tie your threads off, flip your project to the back side and pick up just a few pieces of thread or a small piece of fabric with your needle. Then as you pull it, it's going to make a natural little loop where you can slide your needle back through that loop before you pull that stitch tight. This will secure it and keep that patch in place. All you have to do now is just trim your excess threads and you're ready to go. Last, let's go over how to sew on a patch with a regular sewing machine. We're going to use the same trick of using some double stick tape to hold your patch in place temporarily while we secure it in place. To attach this patch, I removed the arm from my sewing machine to make it easier and give me more room to work on this project. Then I set my sewing machine to a standard stitch length at 2.5 and started to go around the perimeter of my patch. Again, just try to be as close to the edge as possible so that way that thread doesn't interfere with the design of your patch. Once you've gone around the outline of your patch, just backstitch a few stitches to secure and then remove your project and trim those threads. You, my friend, are done. So now we've learned 3 ways to attach a regular patch. One we've ironed on, one we've hand sewn, and one is machine sewn. I hope you guys really liked this tutorial. If you'd like to see more, see it on creativefashionblog.com.